It's time now for our community update, and this morning we are joined by Appleton Mayor Jake Woodford. Mayor, thanks so much for joining us.
Good morning. It's good to be back with you.
All right, let's start by talking about an important position within the city, the health officer. Tell us a bit about what this position does.
So in the state of Wisconsin, our health jurisdictions are broken down at the municipality level, but also more commonly at the county level. So the city of Appleton sits in 3 counties, Winnebago, Outagamie, and Calumet. And so we have our own health jurisdiction within the city of Appleton, which means we have a health department. So the health department's responsible for all sorts of different things. You know, we hear a lot about these days managing the pandemic, epidemiology, things like that. But health departments also handle licensing and inspections for restaurants. They do other types of infectious disease control. And in our health department, we also manage a weights and measures program. So the health officer is an important position. It leads the department, and it's also charged with responsibility for the health of our jurisdiction here in the city of Appleton.
And you are currently looking for a new health officer?
We've been looking for a new health officer. Our previous health officer retired in June. It's been a long search, but I'm pleased to be bringing forward a recommendation to the council at their meeting tomorrow night. I'll be recommending Charles Seepers Jr. He's currently a health officer in a health jurisdiction in Nebraska. He holds a master's in public health and a PhD. So looking forward to welcoming him to the community. But of course, council has to review my recommendation and approve at their meeting tomorrow night.
And the first round of ARPA grants are being offered. So tell us, what kinds of organizations are those funds going to be available to?
So Appleton has announced a $250,000 grant program that's trying to direct funds to some of the organizations that either sort of fall through the cracks of other grant programs or where we see a heightened need at this time. And those are specific organizations that provide cultural opportunities for Appleton residents, tourists, enrich communities, stimulate economic activity. And then there's also eligibility for nonprofit organizations that provide behavioral health services in our community. We just know how intense the need is for mental health services, behavioral health, and so these grants are designed to get funds directly to those organizations.
How much money is available, and how can someone apply?
So we've made $250,000 available for the program. The minimum award is $10,000. The maximum is $50,000. And applicants can find that application at appleton.org and email their completed application to arpa@appleton.org. If you have questions as an organization, please don't hesitate to call the City of Appleton and ask them. Don't assume eligibility or non-eligibility. Just make sure that you reach out and ask if you have questions.
And now 2 things that are kind of tied in together, the relocation of the public library and a COVID testing site. So you have an important meeting tonight on the possible relocation of the library while those renovations are underway. So where could it go?
So the library board is having a meeting this afternoon, and they'll be voting on a recommendation from staff to locate the temporary public library at the former Best Buy site on the south side of Appleton on Kensington Drive. And right now we're using that as a COVID testing site. We have that testing site scheduled out through the end of February. And once that COVID testing site ends on the 25th of February, our health department will be looking for other options for continuing testing. Right now, we're operating that testing site in partnership with the National Guard and ThedaCare. So we'll have to sort out the next location for testing, assuming that we're going to need testing beyond February 25th. But there's also other options for folks to get tested in the area, and encourage people to check online through ThedaCare, or also you could check the website doineedacovid19test.com to try and find a testing site location. We know this continues to be a need in the community, and we're working hard to fill it.
Mayor Woodford, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thanks for having me.
And it's cloudy and mild by the mayor's office downtown Appleton right now, and today it's not going to be a lot. I kind of live in this area. I'm not expecting a lot of snow on the ground, but I'll tell you where you can expect more snow with full weather right after this break.